in terms of the hedge fund universe, I know obviously last year and the year before, it's been a really tough time.
Real, yeah.
And so talk to me a little bit about that. What's the future look like, do you feel like, for the industry?
I think and I mean, I don't mean to be like, doom and gloom, but just from what I see, I don't see, from my vantage point, my 2 cents, that's all it's worth. But from my vantage point, I don't see an abatement into hedge funds. I don't see an abatement to quantitatively driven funds. I see the 2 Sigmas and the AQRs and the Renaissance. I mean, you have these supercomputers that are, they hire legions of mathematics PhDs to try to optimize this every single second of every single day. And like, human beings are fallible, right? So I don't see a future where the fundamental long short equities will rise to power as they did in the early 2000s, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
And just look at that with hedge fund closures. I think that the platform models like the 0.72s, the Millenniums, the Surveyors, those types of pods, they can be outperformers. Those can be brutal places to work. I know some of them.
Tell me why. Why are they so brutal? Just to see grinds.